day 2 of our camping trip, and we are going to do some fishing and crabbing on kayak on the Clarence River. Luckily, using Google Map and Street View, we managed to find this little inlet that leads out to the Clarence River. Perfect for launching. Let's see whether we catch anything. What's the plan?
Gonna catch crabs.
And catch fish too.
Yeah.
That's very
That's a very positive.
very confidently we're gonna catch a fish. See you later.
It's probably a little bit.
We're going left.
Oh, we got left.
Yeah.
Oh, he does have all.
In New South Wales, you can only have 2 crab pots per person. So there are 3 of us and we all have licenses to fish here. That means our chances are reduced by half as compared to if we were in Queensland. So we've got to be very careful about where we pick our spot to drop crab pot. Oh, lots of little mullets here. I'm going to drop one in that hole. You good?
Okay, let's hop on here.
Oh, ew. Stingray. Oh, flathead. Flathead.
Oh, bloody. Is it a keeper?
I think so.
But where do we keep it? Flicked it in the first time.
I know, they are very opportunistic. Put it at the back of your boat. Yeah, that's it.
What?
That thing there. Put it on there first rather than you're gonna lose it. Yeah. Good job. That's a good fish, mate.
Does that mean that I'm not going to get a crab? Locked?
Yeah, it's locked. And our first lizard in New South Wales.
Yep.
There's a bit of current here because it's all funneling through this.
Still gonna be careful.
Oh, he's fishing. I got one too. In the bucket. Top lip.
Top lip?
Yep.
Oh, ah!
So the way we do this is we kayak a little bit and then we walk a little bit just to give our hands a bit of a rest. I think what we do is we drop it just behind you.
Okay, another one set up.
That is the spot I want.
Okay,
one each on each side. Oh my god, I'm sinking. Hard work pays off, let's hope. Alright, let's go. Yep, he's on all 4.
Two days later.
Second day of our kayak trip to collect crab pots. It's either this or we go to co-ops to buy some crab just to keep the missus happy. Let's see how we go. Check us out, number 2. Oh, hold on, I need a paddle. And our crab pot is just out here. The first one, let's see. So those are undersized, but yeah, that means they're crabs. It's good. So we just checked the first crab pot. There are 2 little undersized mud crabs, which means there are mud crab in this river system. See how I... Oh, yeah. Yeah, I can hear it.
you alright?
No, I'm fucking stuck.
Oh shit.
I can hear it. Oh shit. Oh my god.
I got some good shots with that, but it was sort of like the Blair Witch Project.
Oh. That works, let's get back in! F me! I was trying to kayak and operate the drone. Luckily, the drone is safe and managed to no damage to it, and just a bit of mud and dirt. It's so low, your kayak sitting at the back. All right, get your buckets ready. I'm feeling good about every one of them. Take us in. Number 2. Oh, tiny. How big do they need to be?
It's 8.5.
Did you say 8.5?
8.5, yep.
Ooh, is that good?
Oh my god, this one is okay.
Ooh.
Look, there's a little prawn. Oh, that's good. This is it, our last 2. Right inside there. Money short, money short. 1 only.
2, 3.
3, but
Sounds
they're
it.
very small.
Yeah, one decent sized one.
That one, I think it's 1. Just got to be careful when you're catching crab. Ah.
Only 1.
Just 1. Okay. Yeah.
Oh.
We're coming out now. It's there. Oh, here we go. Oh, yes. Very.
Want to do it over there? Or
Yep. Yep. Hold on. So the good thing is that we have at least 5 crabs. In New South Wales, you can take male or female, but needs to be 8.5 centimeters vertical, not side, like what we do in Queensland. Would I have had 6 if I hadn't got nipped by one of them? Oh, that was painful. And I don't have any disinfectant, so I got to get back to the car. I think I've got a first aid kit in the car. Catching any fish? Not much today.
We're not quite ready.
Okay. They have the line, the other hand is the gripper. It's already orange. Great.
1770 was better, I reckon.
Did we catch one?
Yeah, you and Troy went out. Yeah.
Oh, that one. Oh, yeah, that one. Whoa. That was good.
That's it.
That was good.